25 Maple Street. Caller is advising her fire alarm is going off, with sounding in the background. Believes it may be because of water is coming from a light fixture. Again, that's 25 Maple Street for a fire alarm going off. Time of page is 11:42:12. Wingham Fire, please respond to 25 Maple Street for a fire alarm going off. Cross streets will be Center Street and Josephine Street. Again, that's 25 Maple Street for a fire alarm going off. Caller believes it may be because water is coming from a light fixture. Time of second page is 11:43:23. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Unit calling, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
That's Roger, page acknowledged, 11:44:52.
Fire dispatch, call all engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 responding. Car 2 plus 3 belted.
That's Roger. Engine 1 is responding. Car 2 plus 3 belted at 11:50:31.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 on scene, and car 2 will be command and mobile.
That's Roger. Engine 1 is on scene. Car 2 is in command and mobile at 11:51:02.
Dispatch, car 1's on scene as well.
That's Roger. Car 1, you're on scene. 11:51:18.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 4 on scene.
Roger that. Car 4, you're on scene. It's 11:51.
Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, dispatch, command's reporting nothing showing. Just looks like maybe a water leak behind the wall. Fire will be assisting.
Roger that, command. Nothing showing at this time. Water leak behind the wall. Believed. It's 11:55:10.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
After further investigation, appears a drain hose from the wash machine let go and filled the smoke alarm with water. Currently, we're replacing the smoke detectors and doing some salvage.
That's Roger, command. After investigation, you found that a drain hose from the washing machine let go and filled the smoke alarm with water, and you will be replacing the alarms now. 12:10:37.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Okay, go ahead.
New smoke alarms installed and tested. Scenes being turned over to the homeowner. Command's terminated, and all units will be returned to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. Alarm has been tested. Scene is now being turned over to homeowner. Command is now terminated. All units are returning to hall at 12:23:33.